Unlock the secrets hidden within your GPS device and transform raw data into actionable insights for your next adventure. Today, we'll explore how to use Garmin Basecamp to read your GPS chip, empowering you to analyze tracks, manage waypoints, and plan unforgettable journeys. First, connect your Garmin GPS device to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure your device is powered on. Next, open Garmin Basecamp. On the left-hand panel, you should see your device listed under Devices. Click on your device name. Basecamp will now read the data stored on your GPS chip, including waypoints, routes, and tracks. Once loaded, your tracks will appear on the map as colored lines, each representing a recorded journey. Click on a track to view its details, such as elevation profile, distance, and time. This allows you to analyze your performance and identify key segments of your adventure. Waypoints are marked locations of interest. Double-click on a waypoint to view or edit its information, such as name, coordinates, and description. To transfer data back to your GPS device, right-click on a track or waypoint and select Send to Device. This will make it available for your next outdoor expedition. You can also export your data as a GPX file by navigating to File, then Export. This allows you to share your adventures with others or import them into other mapping applications. With Garmin Basecamp, you're now equipped to extract valuable insights from your GPS data, enhancing your navigation skills and enriching your outdoor explorations. Happy trails!